What's going on, guys? Shannon from SB88, and they got me fixing toys. They got me fixing toys today, man. This toy has a broken starter motor. Look at the state of this. Look at the state of that. So it stinks as well. I was trying to bump start it, but it wasn't working. I don't know why. I mean, to be honest with you, I've never worked on a lawnmower engine or one of these. It's like a moped engine, isn't it? And I missed the moped days in my time. But I said this guy, I've done a little bit of work for him on a few of his vehicles. I said I'll have a go. And the diagnosis so far is the starter motor is faulty. I tried to hotwire the starter motor and it was just making no noises at all. This one's got a little chain driven starter motor, so hopefully when I go to put a new starter on, it's going to be easy. Shouldn't be a problem. But in this car, kind of cool. It's kind of cool, man. It don't look too old. Probably been a toy purchased and parked up for a long time. But it is proper. Got brakes. Front discs on the rear, central floating disc, nice little system. It's got suspension, front and back, not independent, but yeah, proper little quad bike conversion into like a little Jeep. I like it. Hopefully it says, you know what, Shannon, take it. Oh, I can have that straight away, mate. Alright, anyway guys, new starter motor required for this. On a car, you'd never really open up a starter motor like that, but this is what you see. You got your brushes and your, let me mess up myself. If I'm wrong, tell me. Commutator, armature. Shit, man. I need to recap my motor knowledge. But I don't need a lot of motor knowledge to know that this is finished, mate. Yeah. Alright guys, till next time. Bless.